you've caught up with us along the trail out here in our own backyard in Missouri. We're having a bit of a mini ice storm. We got a few inches of snow coming in tonight. We're taking down the Christmas tree. It is a new year and we are excited for what God has in store for our family and our channel this year. So here's some things that you may expect on the Along the Trail channel for 2025. First of all, our family has a big surprise that totally caught us off guard, but it is going to be great and it's going to be a big adventure for 2025. We have twin grandsons that are going to arrive any week now. So Bo and Luke are joining our family, and I'm sure you will see them along with Big Brother Tough on our channel throughout this year. But with that being said, we're going to be spending more time in Missouri to help out with them. So we have some projects that we're going to be doing this year as we stay a little closer to home. Of course, we're still going to be four-wheeling. We're still going to be making trips out to Colorado, but maybe just not as much. Whew, it is getting nippy out here. But on the trail channel, along the trail channel this year, we are fixing up a 1978 Ford truck. She is my dream truck that Clint got me a couple of years ago for my birthday. I don't even know if I've ever showed her on the channel or not. I've just been kind of taking little clips of videos here and there. I wasn't expecting to share her on the channel, but I think we've decided that we're going to, now that we know that we're going to keep her around. So Geraldene is a member of our family now, and you will be seeing her probably in the next few episodes. This episode, I'm just going to kind of show you what we've done the last couple of years. You'll see Tough in the episode. He went from toddling around and can't even walk into helping Clint with it. So he's kind of growed up while we've been working on her. Our son coming from Boston this week. He's helping with some of the body work. So, but this first episode is going to debut Geraldene, my 1978 100 Ranger. Also this year on the channel, Clint has ordered him a cargo trailer that's going to be arriving here probably in about a month. He likes to take cargo trailers and convert them into toy haulers for us, for our ATVs. We haven't done one in a few years because we had the house up in Colorado, really no reason to have one. But unfortunately, our home away from home in Colorado, the town did some rezoning, changing laws, and now we're no longer allowed to rent out our home there. So we need to either sell it or have a long-term rental or move up there full-time. And we have Bo, Luke, and Tough now in our lives, and we are not ready to live in Colorado full-time, even though we would love to. It's just not the right moment. So we chose to sell our house in Colorado. So Clint is making us a camper toy hauler, so when we go up, we'll have a place to stay. So those are going to be all the things that we kind of show in different episodes this year on the channel. We would so appreciate new subscribers to like and share our videos. We mainly do this channel for us, just to be able to share memories with our family, but we like to share Colorado with you guys. We like to give ideas on places and things that you can go. I really want to share Clint's talent this year on our channel. He is a very talented guy. He does such a good job on these trailer conversions and working on my truck. He has spent years in the limousine and the RV business. He just has a natural gift for it. So we're going to showcase some of Clint's talent this year on some episodes too for the Along the Trail channel. So make sure to subscribe, catch up with us. Hopefully we'll have some twin babies we can show. Oh, we also made a cook shack out in our backyard this year, since we know that we're going to be in Missouri a little bit more in home this year. So we're learning some smoking techniques, some cast iron cooking. We may even throw some recipes on the channel this year too. So Along the Trail, it's going to be trucks, trailers, ATVs, and babies. And some food. Basically, who knows what to expect? None of us do. We're just out here living along the trail, living the best life that God has blessed us with. We are so thankful for what He's doing in our family. We cannot wait to see what happens in 2025. And right now for this episode, let's go meet Geraldene. All right, so we're on an adventure today. It's a birthday trip of mine. I'm out here with my dad. We are heading to Oklahoma to look at a 1978 Ford 100 Ranger truck. Dad and I made it to Tulsa, and here she is. Now, this is all we know about her. She's a 78 F100 two-wheel drive, 400 small block. She has no brakes. Her battery is dead. We had to jump her, but we were able to listen to her run. That's all we know. Nothing's known about the motor. But after a few phone calls and FaceTime video with Clint, they decided that she was probably worth the money that the guy was asking for. He had just bought her a few weeks ago at an auction, decided that she was probably too good for a parts truck, but really didn't have time to take on the project. So we loaded her up and brought her home along with a goat. No, the goat had to stay there. We only needed the truck. Well, we've got her all loaded up, getting ready to hit the trail home. Our first pit stop to get some gas, heading out of Tulsa. Hopefully we'll make it back home to Missouri without any trouble. We got her home, unloading her in the dark, but she's here. Well, I guess I'll start by cleaning out the glove box. We've got some good stuff in here. I mean, even got a couple of blank checkbooks. Good thing I'm an honest person. Got some old matches, medication. Aha, cards. Never leave home without them. You never know when you'll need to play a good game of pitch along the road. All right, well, this is where I'm starting because it's the only thing I know what to do without Clint. I'm gonna get this old girl cleaned out, dust her off a little bit so we can have a clean working surface. I just don't know. All right, well, I'm gonna keep on digging, see what we find. I know, look at Mammy's new truck, Tough. Gosh, look at that. I know, we found some good stuff in the glove box that's gonna help out. You know, scrubbing bubbles, that should just shine her right up, shouldn't it, Tough? Are you ready to fix up this truck? Yeah. Huh? You ready to fix her up? Well, I think we'll start with cleaning her up on the inside. Grab those scrubbing bubbles, Tough. Let's get to scrubbing. This morning, I am still digging through this glove box stuff. I love it. I have come to the conclusion the truck has had 2 owners from Nebraska its whole life. We have found some good stuff in this glove box. Me and Tough did yesterday when we were digging around some old tape. That I can piece it back together with that. Before smartphones, we had to know how to handle our emergency. Look at this. This is so funny. It's from a hospital in Nebraska, and it tells you your first aid emergencies, what you're having, then you pull it down to match it, and then it tells you what to do for your emergency. Love it. Oh, the best, we got some old lotto tickets. Cash those in to help pay for this baby. But the best thing of all is, look at this. This is the original sell receipt from the first owners back in June of 1978. Oh, Robert and Sharon. They bought this truck brand new in Nebraska for 11% interest. Oh my gosh. I just think that cool. Their payment was $194 a month. I don't know, I feel like that's a lot of money back in 1978. Got some original paperwork. So I've been kind of digging through the clues of the past of this girl's life. I'm so looking forward to fixing her up. Teresa and Mike, they got married back in October of 1981. Congratulations, hope you guys are still going strong. You always gotta carry your ammo with you. I don't know, I'm guessing this is old cologne. Every man I know carries a bottle of cologne in his truck. I don't know why that is. Y'all must stink. We'll lock her up so no one can get her. I don't know, we've got some good stuff so far in this truck, so I'm just gonna come out here this morning and get her cleaned up a little bit. Clint told me to vacuum her out real good so we can kind of have it clean inside, and when he gets home, He's gonna assess some more mechanical stuff on her. But until then, I'll give you a walk around and give you my girly version of what needs to be done. She's got a pretty good tailgate, actually. You can't beat a good tailgate. Bumper, I don't know. It's been painted black, that's all I can tell. Oh yeah, we forgot about this. She got a pretty good dent there. Even though this is her good side, she's still a little dented up over here. More of the Ford rust going on. Not for sure what these doodads were for. Maybe there was a camper or tarp or something involved. So, yeah, got a pretty good dent right here on the cab. Classic Ford right there. Don't know why. They always rust out right there. Even my 2014 that I drive is doing the same thing. Inside, I'm pretty happy with her inside. I like the blue and tan. I think when we go to paint her back, we'll keep that. We've got one really good door panel. Oh, look. You crank down the windows, just like the good old days. Missing that door panel. Headliner's really good. The seat's a bit nasty, but it's all there in one piece, so we'll get that repostered. Tear out all this carpet. I don't know, Clint wants to do carpet back. I kind of like the rubber mats. Look at this. Right there. Horse head knobs. I love it. Do got a crack in the windshield. That's kind of a bummer. Got a pretty good ding on the hood there. She's got a motor. Yeah, that's all I can tell you about that. We should just be ready to hit the highway with that. Got a little, this is what I love about the 70s and the 60 Fords is their grills. They have a few different styles of grills. I love them. This one is in good shape all until you get right there, but none of the little squares are broken, miss, and that's what's important to me, but I'm sure we'll be on the lookout for a new grill. So there you go. There's my unknowledgeable assessment. She's still got a lot of the good, whatever you call these things, the logos and the attachments on her. So I'm anxious to get started. When Clint gets off work today, we'll do a mechanical assessment and see what the old girl needs. We know for sure that she needs brakes because she ain't stopping. I don't know, I guess that's important. Except this old wise racer once told me, AKA my daddy, you don't need brakes. Just pretend like they're not there. They'll either get out of your way or you'll run over them. So that's kind of my life motto. You know, we all ought to take good advice from our daddies. So that's mine. So I don't know, maybe we'll save the brakes for later. We don't need them, according to my dad. Well, I got most of the carpet ripped out. Just got a little tidbit there under the seat that I can't get out. So hopefully Clint can help me with that this evening. The floor panels, I think, look great. So I'm very happy about that. All good back in here. Found me a gun rack hiding behind the seat. Cha-ching. So super excited about that. That is cool. That's gonna be staying there. So anyway, there's day number 1 in the shop. Felt like I got something accomplished. Well, General and I got our part done. That's all we knew how to do. So we turned it over to Clint and touched.
Yeah, you're fixing good. Which one do you need now? That one? Yeah? We'll do some frying.
Well, Clint has spent quite a while working on her. He's done a bunch of stuff, got her running. Of course, he's changed belts and plugs, put a new carburetor on her, and he's gotten busy at work, and he absolutely hates working on brakes. So we're going to load her up and take her to my cousin's shop and let him work on her for the next few months. Boy. All right. Off to Rex's she goes to get her some brakes.